Well, the time has come. The 8400 and the blue rope is going to see some action today. We literally just started pulling the first run of the day and got into a stump with the 8320. So we're going to hopefully use the 8400 to pull it out. Here we go. So here it is. There's a problem we got right here. Not good. We're trying to pull that with 8400. The time has come. Time to pull the tractor out. We'll see what happens here. 8400 pulling the 8320, the pile plow. Not good. We sucked down probably 4 or 5 inches here. Trying to pull through, I guess, a stump. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Auto steer on, positive traction on, first, second gear, feeder on. Let's go. Here we go. Is it moving? Barely. Nope. All right. Plan B. Plan B is digging this out, whatever it may be. Dad, burn it. All right. Let me drink. Well, unfortunately, the 8400 would not pull the plow through the ground for whatever we got hooked onto. I mean, we're almost to the bottom of the plow here. That's not good. So, the only thing I know to do is cut the pipe. We're trying to get this back out of the ground, tilt it up or something. That's the plan anyways. So, I hope to give you a little update in a minute. I hate to do it, but here we go. There it is. Part of it. That's what stopped us. There's a piece. There's a piece. Holy cats. Let's go back here and see what the hole looks like. So this what happens. Rarely, but sometimes. You get into stuff. Hopefully it's nothing important, which this is not. It's just a big root wad. All right, time to dig it out, get the mini, and start working. That's what happens when you hit a root. Now we're having to reconnect this back to where we were. So it's unfortunate, but that's what we got to do. I'm going to resurvey this. We probably spent 45 minutes trying to dig this thing out and get it back to where it needs to be. This is the one of the roots here that we pulled out of the ground. So yeah, here we go, back at it.